So what's up guys, welcome to today's video tutorial guide. And in today's video tutorial guide I want to show you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, based on requests from few persons that they asked me to make a video on how to create a thumbnail for their videos. So if you want to create a thumbnail for your videos, one thing you need to note that thumbnails serve as a clickbait for your potential customers or clients to watch your videos. So now, and in today's video tutorial guide, we'll be showing you the arc and things you need to note anytime you want to make a thumbnail for your videos. So like, thumbnail is just more like you are packaging your videos, you are making it attractive for people that needs to watch it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to right how we can do it. And if you are new to this channel, I want you to please subscribe to the channel because you'll be getting a lot of valuable content from this channel, and you can also grow to the channel. There are other valuable videos for you to watch. And if you are a returning subscriber, I bid you welcome once again. So now let's get to how we can create YouTube captivating thumbnails for your videos. So I'll go over
today's video is proudly sponsored by Deal Technology. They deal with phone and laptop accessories, household gadgets, system repairs, formatting and installation, and system upgrade. So if you got any issue with your laptops, phones that you want to do, you can easily contact them with their Instagram account that you can see on my screen, and also contact them with the contacts and the address in the flyer right here on this.
So I'll go over to one of these of my recent thumbnails that I created, and so I can look for the size over here. So I'll delete some of this stuff over here. Let me delete some of this stuff over here. So we just start from scratch. So this is the normal size. This is the size of a thumbnail, like for every thumbnail videos. If you want to use pixellab, this is the size you need to load. So this is the size. The weight is 1280 and the height is 720. So just note this. So the ratio, the aspect ratio is 16:9. So anytime you want to do it on pixellab, this is the size you need to follow for you to get this. Okay, so now when we have the background, or we have the background size, so I'll just bring in something that we just let me just bring in an image that will go along with what I want to create. So I want to create a thumbnail for this video. So it's more like I want to create a thumbnail for this video, and I will show you the tutorial of what you want to do. So I'll bring in an image from my pictures, and that will show you. Okay, let me use something that will captivate, that will make you want to click this video also. So now let me use this guy here. I love this guy for my video. So this is the guy I want to use. So you can just place it around around stuff, just make it attractive and just walk around till you have something like this. So I'll go over here and just do a little touch to it. So I want to add something to the background like I always do. So I'll go to my background stuff, and I'll bring in one of the texture I use for all my thumbnails. So, and another thing I want you to notice that when creating thumbnails for your channel, I'll like make them relate. Just like if you go through my channel, if you check through most of my thumbnails, they relate, they are connected to each other, just like the one I want to create now. So I'll just go over to this one and just do the stuff I normally do to them. So this is not a perfect video, but it's just something that I want to show you and how you can begin to use them for your channel also. So I have this over here, and I just give it another color like this. So I'll take it to the back. And okay, I think I'm loving this. So I'll just reduce the opacity over here. So like just do it around, just work it around here. So and I'll bring in a text, and I want to write, let me say YouTube thumbnails, YouTube. So YouTube, and let me go select a font that I love using. I love this Beba stuff. Okay, I love this Beba stuff. So let me just put it here. So now, and this font, I also have a package I write. I think I'll drop the link in the description of this video that will show you how you can access my entire font folder if you are a graphic designer or you need fonts for some of your projects. So I have this over here. So I'll just let me just rotate a little bit. Okay, so I just leave it like this. If I'm okay, I can leave it like this, and let me bring in one of YouTube icons that I have that I've downloaded on my phone. Okay, So this is not a perfect video, but just something that will show you how it is being done, how it is done. So can you look at this? Can you see that this thing is looking like attractive just for you? So just walk around, make things pleasing for those who want to watch your video. So YouTube thumbnail, let me write thumbnail over here, and I have it over here. So like creating a thumbnail is not that hard, but you have to be strategic with what you want to do. You have to be strategic with what you want to do. So just walk around. If you want to put your YouTube name, you put it, but I don't usually put my YouTube name. I just put on a subscribe stuff like at the below bottom of my stuff here. So let me just look for those things I used to put. Okay, I used to put this over here, and I will just put this over here. So this, like with this, you can see that I'm even done with this my thumbnail. So I can just do a little editing, and I'm good to go. I'm good to go for this. Like this is like more like I'm okay with this. So I can just duplicate this, reduce the size, and just place it somewhere for balance. So and I have something great. So let me give it a little stroke. So it will just okay. So it can stand out. Okay, I love this. And we are good to go. So with this now, can you see that in just few minutes we have been able to create an attractive and captivating YouTube thumbnail. So this is basically how this is being done. So you can even walk around and just go ahead and do stuff to it just like this, and we are good to go. Thank you for watching. Okay, and when you bring in it to the front, so just bring it to the front, and if you want, okay, let me just increase the size. So let me increase the size. So there's nothing much about, just make sure your thumbnail carries more like a title, just a simple title, a simple write-up of what your video is all about. So with this now, I've been able to create a YouTube thumbnails, and this is the thumbnail I'll be using for even this video as I upload this on my YouTube community. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. If you've not subscribed, subscribe. If like this video is helpful to you and your career, kindly like it and share this to your other creative friends that need to be part of this. So this is basically how to create this. So you can just save over to your gallery and we are good to go. Although there's another thing I used to do to it, but it's not necessary. I just use Snapseed to enhance the overall design. I use Snapseed over here, but it's not necessary if you don't have this. If you are done with pixellab, you can just use it ahead, but if you have the Snapseed app, you can also use it and just walk around, enhance it. So I just do some little stuff to it, so to even make it more attractive. So I think we are okay with this. So let me reduce the saturation. Okay, let me give it a little one. So this is just a basic video. I'm not trying to make it perfect video, but just something that you will understand and will be able to use for your video. So I think we are done for today's video tutorial guide. Just like I said earlier, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like this video, share this video, and welcome to your next studios.